Hello, my beautiful people. So, this reel is a bit different than the other ones. So, today I was talking to someone very esteemed from this startup ecosystem. I'll be sharing it with you once after everything gets confirmed. And after the completion of that meeting, he said, "Wow, Rosie, I feel so good seeing people like you, seeing kids like you doing so much at this age, and they have a passion." He said so much, and I'm very grateful for it. But after the meeting got over, I was sitting down talking to my mama, and I realized that it took me 2 years to do all this, and I haven't done anything अभी तक. अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. But अभी to all the things which I have done till now, today I can guarantee you, if I would have the right resources, if I would have those networks which are required to build something, I can guarantee you, if I start now something from scratch, if I start something, I can build that जो कि अभी तक मैंने 2.5 साल में किया है in mere 4 months. So this is आज भी अभी भी I went through around 30-40 TEDx talks जहाँ पर वो how to start a business, how to grow your business, ये सब when I was seeing it, you won't believe, मुझे एक भी जगह वो सारी चीजें नहीं दिखी that a student who wants to start something from scratch, who wants to build something from scratch, who has an idea but doesn't know how to execute it, with no networks, no funding, no resources, just a student from a tier 2 city, उसको पता ही नहीं है. उसके पास आइडिया है बेचारी के पास, बट ही डजंट हैव एनी क्लू अबाउट इट एंड ही स्ट्रगल्स. वो 1 साल 2 साल सिर्फ ये स्ट्रगल करने में लग जाता है, हाउ टू फाइंड दैट फर्स्ट कस्टमर ऑफ योर्स, हाउ टू इवन. अब आपको यू वोंट बिलीव, देयर आर सम unsaid complications that happen when you register a company. जब even when मेरे GST में इतना टाइम लगा था लिटरली, एंड इवन द CA told me कि रोजी मैंने इतने सारे GST फाइल करे हैं, ये इतनी दिक्कत तो किसी में नहीं है. So these are the complications that you face when you are just a student, and आपके पास कोई ऐसे networks नहीं है. And I respect all the struggles that people do, क्योंकि सबके अलग अलग होता है. यहाँ पर आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैंने कुछ अलग कर दिया, नहीं. आई एम जस्ट सिंपली सेइंग कि जब ये सारी चीजें होती हैं, व्हेन यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, आपको जो पॉकेट मनी मिलती है, इट इज जस्ट फॉर योर कॉलेज एक्सपेंसेस, एंड यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग इट. बिजनेस रिक्वायर्स मनी, business requires patience, business requires the right people. So there are 3 very important P's. वो सारी चीजें हैं that I really want to talk about. And अगर इससे एक भी इंसान को फायदा होता है, because I see some of the juniors of